Well, I was very privileged to be able to get this built. The stairs are safer, and now I've got a deck to sit at. And it's 6x6, but it lets me have an absolutely beautiful view out my backyard or front yard, whichever you want to call it. It's an absolutely beautiful, stunningly gorgeous day. And I get to sit out here in a safe spot to be able to enjoy the view. So, just can't get over how nice this is. It's small. It's got this chair that I'm sitting in, and it's got this area, and I have one of my canes propping that open and keeping it open, which is nice, as I discovered, because even just a little bit of wind will blow that. And now I'm sitting back and enjoying a little bit of the afternoon. Hope you like this. I hope you'll come back.